have to do is to take a look at playing up the strings, and we wanted to talk about the concept of active and passive fingers for your left hand. Now, active and passive fingers basically means active fingers are the fingers that you're using with your left hand, and your passive fingers are sort of the fingers that are waiting. Okay, and we're going to look at that concept now with a finger walk exercise that goes up the string, and we're going to do this for all 6 strings. So start off again. Stretch out your hand, your left hand. Nice. Give it a good stretch. Okay. And put your thumb behind the 2nd fret, right here. This is the 2nd fret. Then rest your hands against the strings flat like this, and then slowly guide them into position. Okay. Using parallel position, you have your 1st finger on the 1st fret, 2nd on the 2nd, 3rd is on the 3rd fret, 4th is on the 4th fret. Okay. Now they're not on the frets, they're just behind them, but that's how we say it. So with this one, what you're going to practice is using your 1st finger and then guiding your other fingers down, and then you're going to move it up the neck, just like this, going to every fret until you get to about the 9th fret. Okay. So you'll start off by playing the 1st fret of the 6th string with your 1st finger. Now when you play that, your other finger should be sort of in this ready position, right? They're just above the strings, they're not touching. These are the passive fingers right here. This one's active, okay? And these guys are just waiting to play. Now what you'll see a lot of beginners do in the beginning is that they actually take their fingers and sort of make a fist with them, or they hide them and they put them into a position which is going to make it hard for them to get to the next note in time. So you want to keep those fingers loose and above the string, being ready to play. So in this case, we're going to just work on the 6th fret, the 6th string, and we'll start off just by playing the 1st fret. Then your passive fingers are in ready position. Then you bring down your middle finger, so 1 and 2 are down. Your 3rd and your 4th fingers are now passive. You're going to bring down your 3rd finger, and then your 4th finger. Now you're going to shift positions. Your 1st finger is now going to go to that 2nd fret, and you can do the same thing. 1st finger active, the rest are passive, but in ready position. And then you're going to have your 2nd finger, then your 3rd finger, then your 4th finger. So you're on the 2nd fret, the 3rd fret, the 4th fret, and the 5th fret. Move it down. Your 1st finger is now on that 3rd fret, and you're going 4, 5, 6. Then 1st finger is going to go to the 4th fret. Then you go 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're going to go into 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you'll have 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you have 8, 9, 10, 11, and then you have 9, 10, 11, and then 12. And when you get to that position, you can stop and you can change the string. Okay, so it may help at the beginning to really practice this slowly. Changing positions is one of the hardest things to do on the guitar, and it takes some time to build up the technique to do it properly. And then you'll want to do it on the 5th string, starting from that 1st fret. First finger's at the 6th fret. 12, then to the third string. First fret, second fret, first finger's now at the third fret, then at the fourth fret, then it's at the fifth fret, then you're at the sixth fret, you're at the seventh fret, then the eighth, then the ninth, then you go to the second string, first fret, then the second fret, 2, 3, 4, 5, then third fret, then the fourth fret, then the fifth fret, sixth fret, the seventh fret, then the eighth, and the ninth. So the first finger's on the ninth, 10th, the 11th, and the 12th. Then you're going to go down to the first string, first fret, and do the same thing. Tips of your fingers. Fingers are curled. Fifth fret. Eighth fret. Then your ninth fret. So when you get really comfortable with this, you might want to start naming the names of the notes as you do it. For this, you may want to play each note about 4 times to help yourself memorize it. So in this case, you would start off, say, on the 6th string, first fret, with an F, 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 then F sharp, F sharp, and then G, and then G sharp, then go down to the 2nd fret, F sharp, and then G, then G sharp, and then A, and then 3rd fret is G, then G sharp, then A, then A sharp. Now first finger's going to go to the 4th fret, you got G sharp, and then you have A, and then you're going to have A sharp, then B, then 5th fret, A, then A sharp, then B, and then C, and then A sharp, 6th fret, then B, then C, then C sharp, then you got A on the 7th fret, then C, then C sharp, then D, then C on that 8th fret, then C sharp on the 9th, then D on the 10th, and then D sharp on the 11th. Then you're the 9th fret, C sharp, that first finger, and then D, then D sharp, and then E. So always looking at the hand position and then helping yourself memorize the notes. Remember, curled fingers, play with your tips of your fingers. There should be some space between your hand and the guitar in there, okay, because this is all in parallel position.